morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to give a shout out to Kathy over at Mama Cat's Home. She has become a really good new friend to me and I enjoy watching her. She's very real. She sits and talks to you on her videos and you can respond back and forth with her later on in the messages below, and she'll actually reply back to you. And she has Bible studies that you can watch along with her. And right now she is in the middle of a cleaning and low spin challenge. So she's kind of giving me some inspiration to get some fall cleaning done here myself in anticipation of the holidays. I'm trying to make it a goal to get one thing done at least every day. I'd really love it if you stopped by and checked out her channel and said hi. Texas Country Wife sent you over. And maybe watch a few videos, click a few likes, maybe even subscribe if you like her content. I know that I do. I really enjoy watching her. Anyway, that is the shout out today for Kathy at Mama Cat's Home. Have a great day.